Hello everyone, welcome to Mo's Cooking Corner. Today I'm going to show how to make a full vegetarian pizza. Let's get into the video. So let's start how to make vegetarian pizza. Let's start to make pizza. So I got the board. I put some semolina, make it doesn't stick on the board. So here I have got the pizza dough. One of my last video you already know how to make pizza dough. I showed, you can have a look. So this pizza dough I start to press around, make it around all the way. Yeah, get some oil in my hand, make sure it doesn't stick. So yeah, some olive oil. So keep pressing around up to the end. The pizza base is ready now, so I will start to fill the topping, all the vegetarian topping. So before I fill vegetarian topping, I just use this one of the toothpick to make some all around. It will make crispy under it. That's done. So now I transfer my pizza base onto the tawa. Tawa is preheated, you can see. So now I'm gonna put some chopped tomato. I put some with the mix up with the mix half. Make sure you get flavor. So put evenly all around. So fresh tomato and chopped tomato. This is put the chopped tomato. Now just some cheese, cheddar cheese all around. So, because tawa is already hot. This is my fresh basil. It's from my balcony. I go up. Mixed pepper and fresh tomato from my garden. So I put some fresh tomato around first. Mixed pepper. I'll chop it very small. I got some sweet corn. So I'm gonna add some sweet corn all around. Sweet corn is done. Got some gherkin. So let's put some gherkin because it's full vegetarian pizza. Now I got some sun-dried tomato. Fill with the sun-dried tomato. There is some chopped mushroom. Put all around chopped mushroom. So all my topping is done, full vegetarian. So what I do, and my oven is ready, 220 degree. Now I'm gonna put some mozzarella cheese on top. So making small pieces all over the pizza. Mozzarella is really good for pizza. pizza. Okay. Now I'm gonna put some my fresh basil. See, all around. Get the topping, full vegetarian topping. Now I'm gonna put in the oven for like 7 to 8 minutes. It will be cooked. My oven is ready, so let's start to put in the oven.